What are cards? How is it important? How do we add cards to our YouTube videos? So, today we will discuss everything about YouTube cards in this video. So hi friends, welcome to Tech Recipes. What are cards? You must have seen these kind of pop-ups in any YouTube video. These are cards. If you tap on a card, it will expand at the right hand side. You have to tap once again to go to the link associated with the card. In case you don't tap on a card, it disappears after a few seconds. So cards are basically interactive elements that can be added anywhere in a YouTube video and can be used to promote videos, websites, channels and so on. So why should we add cards? We can use cards to feature any video, playlist, channel or link. Cards make our videos more interactive. You can add maximum 5 cards to your video. You can check the performance of your card from YouTube Analytics. How to add cards? Adding cards is very simple. Log into YouTube Studio from your browser using your mobile or from your PC. From the left menu, select Content. You will get the list of videos you have uploaded. Now tap on the thumbnail of the video on which you will add cards to open the video in edit mode. The video details screen opens. At the right hand side below the video player, you will get the option to edit cards. Tap on the pencil icon. The card dialog opens. You can add 4 types of card: video card, playlist card, channel card and link card. The link card is enabled only if you are in the YouTube Partner Program. Let us add a video card. Let me play the video or move the cursor on the timeline to find the accurate position to add the card. So I will add a card here. Tap on the plus sign beside video. You will be asked to choose a video. Select the video and your card gets added. You can see it on the video as well as on the timeline. Now, if we tap on this, we are prompted to open a video. Let me cancel it. Now, the text or caption you see as overlay is the teaser text and you can change it if you want. It should be such that it generates curiosity so that the viewer gets to tap on it. See, the teaser text has been updated. You can also add a custom text. Both should be within 30 characters. So when you tap on the teaser text, you get to see the custom message over here. Include a call to action here in the custom message and direct your audience to do something. Tap on this bin icon to delete any card. And at last, tap save. Let us now watch the video in YouTube. So we have opened the video in YouTube and here comes the card. When we click on it, we are directed to the second video. So we have successfully added a card in our video. In this way, you can keep the viewer hooked to your channel and this subsequently increases your views, your watch time. So if you want to know how to add a custom thumbnail to your YouTube video, tap on this card. Or if you are new to YouTube and want to hide your subscriber account, tap on this card. And just in case you need some help to create or customize a YouTube channel, tap here. Now some quick tips. When to place your card. Place your cards towards the end of your video so that viewers don't leave your current video midway. Verbally asking the viewers to tap on the card while the card pops up can be helpful. Your cards should be relevant to your video. See from your YouTube Analytics when do most users leave your video. Pop up a card just before that so that they can skip to another video if they want. So that was all for today's video. Like and subscribe if you have liked the video. Have a good day.